What's up, guys? Nick from the Average Biker Garage back here. Another video for you today. Working on my uncle's 78 shovel head. I was working on the brakes of this bike, and I'm still waiting on parts for that. You might see that video before you see this one, I don't know. But I was working on the brakes for it when I noticed this. The handlebars, the bushings are almost as sloppy as your mom on Dollar Margarita night. They are terrible. So I went ahead and ordered some new bushings, just Arlen Ness polyurethane bushings. Super cheap, 30 bucks from, I think I got them from Dennis Kirk. I'll post a link down below if you're interested. You need some bushings like that. So today I'm gonna pull the bars off and do a real quick bearing replacement. So it's all we got going on today. Get this bike done and off the lift. So let's get into it. I actually noticed too, the headlight, you can't see it from that angle, but the headlight is just kind of hanging in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and check, see if I can't figure that out while I'm up here. Might as well, right? So I'm trying my best to avoid taking off all of the controls and whatnot, because the less you take off, the less you have to put back on. Makes sense, right? So you can see the bars are free from the riser bolts. There's still just a lot of wires holding it up, so I'm gonna loosen up the triple trees and pull the bars off this way. And lose a bunch of nuts and shit. off. And we'll just lean the bars over like that. Now, you can just see those bushings are just focus. Just shredded. I mean, old bushing, I can squeeze it. New bushing, there ain't no playing that at all. So. Cool thing about this kit, comes with everything you need to do this. This is a super simple job anyway, so. All right, new bushings are in. Super simple. I'm looking here at the time on the video. Start to finish, this has been about 15 minutes so far. So all you gotta do is put the handlebars back in and then tighten everything back up, and new bushings are in. So. Okay guys, according to my thing, it has been 22 minutes. So, start to finish on this job, 22 minutes. You saw how sloppy it was before. There is little to no play left. I'm shaking the whole bike and the whole lift right now, so. For 30 some odd bucks, got new riser bushings in there, and that'll make all the difference in the world in this bike going down the road. So still got to get new tires on this thing, finish the brakes, and then it's done. And if you can see out the window behind me, it is the end of January right now, but it's 45 degrees outside-ish, so all the snow's melting. So hopefully here in a couple of weeks, this bike will be done and I can take it on a shakedown ride. So last time, the only time I ever rode this bike, it had no brakes. That was a couple of years ago, and that was a trip. So I'm looking forward to test riding this bike with brakes. So that's it for today's episode, guys. I will post the link to this in the comments. Well worth $30 as far as I'm concerned, and 20 minutes of my time. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Head on over to the merch store, grab you some merch. I'm not wearing my shirt today, I'm wearing Tyler's shirt. Go check out the podcast. Like, comment, subscribe. I've said that already. I don't know, I feel like I'm missing some plugs. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And girls. So, see you next week.